Hi guys, welcome to week 5 of our Maybank project. Okay, this is the 4-bed HMO. Let's walk in. So this is now going to be the new kitchen diner. 5 boards are up, and then it's just skimming and then painting. The new windows is in, that's been skimmed, and then it's just work surfaces, cupboards across there. The bathroom is in there. The shower is actually already installed now. I'm just making everything a bit neater. Okay, so this will be bedroom 1. Everything's just a lot more organised today. Okay. So the walls in here, again, 5 panels are up, and that has been skimmed as well. Everything just looks a lot more presentable than it was before, with sort of brickwork falling apart. Okay, I think that's the kitchen. Okay, again, if you remember correctly, the meters were there, they've all been removed now, so everything's just a lot tidier and more functional as property, ready for tenants. That's going to be the storage space. So we'd either put a fridge freezer in there, or buckets, vacuum cleaners, stuff like that, and then probably the dining table will go around there for the tenants to hang out. Okay, stairs. Okay, that's just been sanded down and painted. Again, cupboard. Thank you. So this is bedroom. This will be bedroom 4. This was the smallest bedroom. Still is the smallest bedroom, but we've just increased the size there to make it compliant. Okay, looks a lot more presentable. 3rd bedroom. Again, taking shape. So that's where we took the space into this room. From this room, sorry, to make the other one bigger. The window was there. Couldn't move the window, so obviously we left that space there. Perfect space for a chest of drawer or a desk. And you've got loads of light coming in. Everything looks nice and presentable throughout. And then the final room. This is the master bedroom. That'll be skimmed. There we go. Cupboard is in there, so master bedroom has a cupboard. It's a bit raining outside, so I can't show you the outside, but a lot of the work has been done on the outside. For example, we've actually repainted the front. Actually, let me see if I can take you to the back and the front. 1 second. Okay, alright. Okay, let's go to the front of the house. There you go. Nice and repainted. So that's repainted. Yep, nice and white. Okay, really presentable. Let me show you the back. Okay. So, if you look at here, so the new fences are in. Not sure you can see it, and over there as well. The pond has been refilled. Fence is in. So a lot of the outside has been done as well. Okay, hopefully that's been helpful. So week 5, a lot of progress. You'll start to see everything's more visual at this stage, so you'll visually see more progress, and then everything should start taking shape as well, and you get an idea of what the place will look like, and where everything will be situated throughout the house. Hopefully that's been helpful. See you guys at the next one. Bye.